Autodesk Revit is a building information modeling software for architects, engineers, designers and contractors. The software allows users to design a building, its structure and its components in 3D, annotate the model with 2D drafting elements, and access building information from the building models database. As with BIM, you work solely on one single project, so I've constructed this course in the same manner. If you do not have any previous experience with Revit or any CAD-based software, don't worry. I will start off from the beginning, building you up to be more than capable at creating your own Revit models. The course will start off with the basics, from the terminology which Revit uses to the tools and the interface. We will then move on to building on our project, introducing a new tool and feature as we progress. We will add in the datum elements, such as the levels and grids, the structural components, such as the structural and architectural columns. We'll then move on to the major and the minor components, like the walls, windows, doors, floors, stairs, ceilings, curtain walls, and roofs. We're then going to take it to the next level and learn how to create 2D details, how to tag the components, create schedules and legends, create render images, and video walkthroughs. Finally, we will set up our sheets and send them to print. Alongside the videos, I have supplied you with course notes to follow along with, as well as files to work with. When we complete this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to take a project from start to finish using the tools and library provided by Autodesk. So let's get started.